That's what I'm all about right here, dude.
The sexo.
We're looking for.
That helps you relax right there.
Right?
Yeah, it does.
How's that good stuff?
I got love.
Hell yeah. So good on. Hey, hell yeah. Guess I'm more a sexo.
We're looking for Amor and Sexo.
Focus on that, dude. I'm more a sexo.
Yeah, with the ladies, get the strawberry.
Strawberry. You hear the man? This is a Sport Glide. It's taking this home. Looks tight, Art. What do you think? Nice. We're just waiting for the keys right now. Waiting for the keys. What's up, bro?
This is where I'm gonna go. Vroom vroom.
Yeah. Hey, how long has it been since you rode? 11?
11, almost 12 years.
Damn. Hey, congratulations, dude.
Thanks, man.
Said I'm gonna ride it back to my house in San Diego. We're gonna helmet shop really quick, and then we're both gonna ride back to El Centro, which is about 2 hours away, and that's it. And if you can see the clouds are crazy right now. But yeah, we'll make it back.
Yeah. I was looking for you.
Same name, right?
Putting the new plates on. Taking the old plates off. What up, dude? What up, dude? I like it. It's cool. It feels different from mine.
Yeah?
Going like this, but it feels weird.
I'll follow you.
So my boy D just pulled up with R. We're in front of my pad, San Diego. Their first time, or second time meeting. I think you guys met before. But this is Art's bike, or D's bike actually. D's bike, and then we brought Art's bike. It's right here, so we can go out for a little ride, grab some food, get some good content. Hopefully.
Ride and food or what?
Yeah, we'll ride to grab some food, and that's it. You know.
It's a good color.
All right, little mishaps. We're gonna stay for a little bit because the little one's crying. We're all waiting though. To eat some noodles. I'm with my boy D. We made it up to Claremont. Oh yeah, D gave me this too, man. It's pretty dope, man. It's not supposed to buy one yourself, but he bought me one, dude. It's fucking badass. And he got one for my homie Art. It came with this. It's a nice day in San Diego. We got a long way to ride though. With these two. Hot pot. So we can get some hot pot. Excuse the airplanes in the background. We are kind of by like a little airport up in Claremont. But yeah, and then maybe after that we'll get a massage right here. And that's it. All right, man. We're about to go into Yin Tang Spicy Hot Pot. Ooh, we're hooking it up.
Go make like chill. What is this one?
That one's like sesame sauce.
Is it good?
It was pretty good when I tried it. But look at all the toppings you can put. Get whatever you want. Oh. I got a little bit of everything. That's it. Ooh, dude. Some Bonskis, dude. Before we hit it. So I got the spicy noodles with some tripe, Chinese donut. I don't know why they soaked it, but that's cool. And then some meat.
My donut.
Meat should be on the bottom somewhere. I should have got more meat, dog. All right, you two, for the next one. Be out when we start riding or once we get outside. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna grill. to another gas station. We got about an hour and 20 minutes to get home. Yes, that's my bike. Again, you guys are probably tired of seeing it, but it's fine. You got the new car though too, new helmet, new bike. What? All right, got the paper plates. Yeah. Uh-oh. All right, dude. All right, man, our journey continues. We're gonna keep going with this. All right. We made it to Golden Acorn Casino. That means we're about 45 minutes away from home. But yeah, almost. And it's fucking cold out here. I didn't think about how cold it was gonna be, but man, it's freezing. My hands are numb. Yeah, we're almost 45 minutes. Once we go down the mountains, and it should be a straight shot, and it should be good.
Better helmet too.
yeah. Whoa. Golden Acorn Casino. Hi, how's it going? I like to play Buffalo, bro. What do you play? Do you play slots?
Yeah. I really don't play, but
I'll play a little bit right now just to warm up.
like the Lucky 7 one.
So how do you like the bike so far, bro? You've been on it for about an hour and some change.
Yeah, it's so far so good, man. It's been just got to get used to it all over again, you know.
Yeah. What do you think you need to change on it? What do you want to keep? Like,
Definitely handlebars. What else? Some foot pegs and a better seat.
Nice. Yeah, I recommend that for sure. I mean, that's what I changed out to on mine. Where's the ATM at? I had to show that. That's a good hit. Not to. Let's go. Alright, we off to a good start. What's up, Art? Any luck?
Check it out, the next one, dude.
Okay, let's see.
There it is.
Good luck, come on, YouTube. Some luck. Oh. See? That's how we do it. Gatorade, some chili. Have you ever tried these?
These?
No, yeah, they're
Yeah.
bomb. Bomb as fuck.
Do you guys need a fork?
Oh, it's cool, I'll get it, Art.
No, I
You
got it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks, man. Some bomb.
Oh, there is a tap.
Alright, man, so we're almost out. I'll be outside, bro.
All right, man.
Almost. Alright. Dude, thanks, man. Snacks for the road. Tight, thank you. Oh, yeah.
Here, this one?
Ooh, right there, dude.
it's
A
yours,
lot of
right?
you guys haven't tried it. I think they make them in San Diego. Bomb. This guy got the spicy worms. Worms?
Yep.
We met a real cool dude right now. What's his name, Ray? He's cool. Real cool.
I felt like we've known him for like a long time.
Yeah, he's actually really cool. I should have filmed him, but I felt weird bringing out the camera. We had to make a quick stop because he has to take off his jacket. It got kind of warm out here, out in the middle of nowhere, desert. Yeah, it is warm, but not that warm. It actually feels okay, but it is a lot hotter than it was in San Diego. How you like the bike so far, man? You put pretty much 2 hours in it, dude.
Yeah, fucking
2 hours non-stop riding, dude.
first time riding in 12 years.
12, 11, 12. I said 11, but I guess 12, yeah. Nice. Some saddlebags, that's what I need. I have saddlebags, that's why I have these little hooks right here. But I just throw like takeoffs, some throwovers. I throw it over my fender and then put the seat on top. This guy's saddlebags are nice, some hard bags. Yeah, but use that trickle charger, man. That shit works. So we're back at my pad. What's up, Alex? How's it going? But yeah, so we're back at the pad. That's it. Nah, you're good. You're good. What's up, Alex? How's it going? Good. How are you?
Good to
I'm
see
making
you.
a little vlog, a little YouTube vlog. Yeah. My neighbor Alex.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, it's cool. He bought a new motorcycle. Yeah.
Sound really cool.
Yeah, it's cool. It's a Harley. All right, Art, you take it easy, bro. Ride safe. Ride safe. Ride safe, dude. Ride safe. Nice. Nice bike, dude. Congratulations. Nice. That's a sick ass bike, man.